How to use Listerine to kill mosquitoes. Too often, the sun and fun of summertime is accompanied by dreaded swarms of mosquitoes that come out to feast on animals, including humans. Mosquitoes can leave you with itchy bites, and the need to swat at the annoying insects constantly can make your time outdoors miserable. If you hate the smell of insecticides and store-bought repellents, you can try to rid yourself of these pests by using Listerine, which will leave behind a much fresher and minty smell. Things you'll need: 1 cup Listerine. Spray bottle. Fill a spray bottle with 1 cup of Listerine. Original yellow Listerine works best for this. Avoid generic versions with bleaching agents. Listerine can be found at drugstores and supermarkets. Spray areas where mosquitoes are numerous with a misting of Listerine. Make sure to spray all nearby surfaces, and spray the air as well. Allow 5 minutes for the Listerine to dry on surfaces. Spray your skin with a light mist of Listerine to keep mosquitoes from biting you. Allow the Listerine to dry on your skin for a minute, and reapply as needed if you notice mosquitoes starting to bite again. Tips. Warnings. For existing bites, you can use another item that, like Listerine, is more commonly associated with dental uses. To help get rid of some of the itch that goes along with bites, try applying some white mint toothpaste to the bites. If you're going outdoors and need mosquito protection, carry a small spray bottle containing Listerine. Small spray bottles that can easily fit into a backpack can be found at most beauty supply stores and other retailers.